Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ItzVenomYTX here today, back with another video for you guys. And today in this video, I'm going to be telling you and teaching you how to find your niche on YouTube. And niche is basically the type of content that you want to do in your channel. And also, if you're struggling to find a niche, then this is the perfect video for you. And if you enjoyed this video until the end, then consider dropping a like and a subscription with the notification bell on, because it would be massively appreciated. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So niche is basically, again, the type of content that you want to do in your channel, and it's also one of the easiest ways that you can grow your YouTube channel. And also, if you're struggling to find that niche, then make sure to watch this video until the end, because it will be extremely helpful for you. And so yeah, let's get right into the tips. And the first tip I have for you guys is make sure to think of that niche and make sure that this is the type of content that you want to do in your channel. It is the one that you want to do. I know this makes sense for a lot of people, and maybe some of you guys don't get it, but just make sure to think of that content. If you want to do gaming, do gaming. If you want to do vlogs, do vlogs. If you want to do beauty channel, if you want to have a beauty channel, have a beauty channel, cooking channel, or whatsoever. Make sure to think of that content, and make sure to not put variety of content out there if you're starting out on YouTube, because you already know, I mean, not really, but because I already know it won't help for you, because random users on YouTube will find you on the recommended or on the up next sidebar when you're watching a video. They will find you there, and then they look on your channel, and then they see you're putting a bunch of random content out there for them. And then what I consider for you guys to do, if you're doing that, make sure to put them in some playlists, so those viewers won't be like confused on what you're doing, and you won't make them go away to your channel because you're putting out random content that they essentially don't get what you're trying to put out. And also, make sure to stick to one content if you're starting a YouTube channel, because I did this so many times in the past. I did this wrong so many times in the past and I regret it. That's why I moved to tutorial content, because I love helping other people out. And also, yeah, pretty much think of that one content that what you want to do in your channel. That will be your content. If you will decide that will be your content at the end of your channel, or whenever it brings, essentially. And so yeah, without further ado, let's go right into the next tip. So the next tip that I have for you guys is not to put variety of content out there. And what I mean by that is basically a lot of new YouTubers out there in 2020 is going to be starting out their YouTube channel, and then they'll be putting out variety of content that doesn't make any sense. That's what I said. Don't put random content, because people will be confused, they will get away, they will leave your channel, they won't get it. Unless you put a playlist, they might stay, you never know. But don't put variety of content. Stick to one content, stick to that one niche when you're a small channel. And then if you grow a bit bigger, like 10,000 if that's possible, or even 1 million, then you can like go ahead and try experimenting with new things, because that maybe some of them got tired of you doing that same niche, and maybe you can try something different. And it would be cool as well if you would do that, because maybe they would be more inclined to watch it, because you'd switch to a different niche as well. But don't just leave the previous niche abandoned, because they want it as well. A lot of people want it as well. So make sure to stick to that one content, and don't put a variety of content when you're starting out. Or even if you have 5,000 subscribers, you still need to have that one content, but it depends upon you. But that's just my take on it. I don't know for you guys, but yeah, that's for me. And so yeah, stick to one content, don't put a variety of content. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the next tip. So the next tip I have for you guys is, I don't know what to call this, but I'm going to try and explain it and be detailed with it as possible. So I'm going to explain right now. So for example, you make Minecraft TNT videos. Make sure to make Minecraft content, but don't make the same Minecraft TNT videos, Minecraft TNT videos, Minecraft TNT videos, Minecraft TNT videos every time. Make sure to like Minecraft TNT videos, tips and tricks on how to be good at Minecraft or something. Just don't make the same content. I mean, this is your niche. For example, you make gaming, you do Minecraft. Just don't focus on one game. Don't focus on one game, and make sure to experiment with different other games too. For example, Apex Legends, how to be good at Apex Legends, how to be good at Apex Legends, something like that. Don't make the same video every time. Just what I said in Minecraft. I don't think this makes sense, but I hope it does for you guys as well. And Minecraft TNT videos, don't like put the same content every time when you're trying to think of that. for your channel, because it would be repetitive, and they would just like they might complain that hey XYZ, why do you keep doing this type of content every time on your channel? We want to see something different from you. We want to see different sorts of content, not just the same video that you do every time. So I hope this makes sense for you, and if it doesn't, then just make sure to comment it down below, or you can tweet it to me at Twitter at @Venom_YTX, or even DM me. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the next tip. So the next tip I have for you guys is called, this is not essentially a tip, it's like a mistake, but it's kind of relatable to a tip. But this tip is called to not put the type of niche on your title. Not on your title, on your channel name. I've said this in the channel naming video in the past, in which you can check it out. I will leave the link down in the description if you guys are interested in that. And make sure to not put the type of content or the type of niche that you want to do in your channel on your YouTube channel name. Because if you do that, then you never know. If you get tired of that same niche every time you make it, even if you reach 1 million subscribers, then you want to switch up, and you want to switch up to a different type of content. But then you made videos on that in the past. I don't even think that makes sense. But just don't put the type of content that you want to do in your channel on your channel name, because it doesn't make any sense at all. If you want to change a different type of content, but it's on your name, like, why would you even do it? The type of content on your channel is on your channel name. But if you want to switch onto a different type of niche, then what are you gonna do? And then people will wonder, why did you change your name to this? Why did you change your name to that? And so yeah, I hope that makes sense. It kind of did make sense for me, but I don't know for you guys as well. But yeah. And so yeah, Venom Nation, I'm going to wrap up the video there. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, then make sure to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell so you won't miss anything videos like this in the future. And also, don't forget to follow my Twitter and my Instagram, which will be linked down in the description box down below, so you guys can communicate with me on my social medias as well. And also, don't forget to join my Discord server as well. We're like 2 members away from 100, and I would appreciate if you guys would join for me. And so yeah, I'm going to wrap it up there, and make sure to turn on the bell to all so you won't miss anything I'll be posting in the future, and you will see more videos like this in the future. And I keep saying future 1,000 times in every video, but yeah, I'm going to wrap up the video there. And Venom Nation, I'm going to see you all next time. And Venom Nation, as always, peace out.